Now, let's look at our project featuring Vansen. As Vansen aimed to boost security management for the expansive 42,000 square meter factory and the attendance management of the 550 employees, they faced several challenges. After a meticulous assessment of Vansen needs, we deployed a comprehensive solution that integrates various components. We tackle entry and exit control by using triple turnstile PL201 integrated with Agora card readers, all managed by our Polimek Employment Management System PEMS to effectively control access to production zone, locker rooms, and restroom entrance. We strategically deployed our PL201 turnstiles with PL70D card readers, working in conjunction with our adept access control software. To strengthen security in sensitive areas like R&D labs, offices, and material storage rooms, we set up our PL70D card readers connected to our advanced access control software. The integrations of these solutions led to remarkable outcome for Vansen: a robust system for monitoring visitor entry, exit, ensured secure transition for all users, unauthorized access to sensitive zones are effectively curbed, enhance overall security. Unauthorized access to sensitive zones was effectively curbed. Improved resource management led to reduced wastage and optimized allocation for the refectory.